like without mentioning any like product specific or who's better, whatever. Like, but
Yeah.
since you have experience both as a user, as a developer, like in your opinion, if there's an agency and they're looking for a website management solution,
Yeah.
like to manage multiple websites, like what should they be looking for in terms of like features or expectations? What are the most common kind of like requested things and services
Well,
used?
I could say before looking to the features, for example, the first choice they will have to make is what type of software they want, because there are like two very different type of softwares in this space. One is the self-hosted solution, like you want to have everything in your servers and control everything, okay, and be in charge of security and maintenance of their own everything. Or if you want a cloud solution, a cloud-based solution, that can be like as Managed WP, Umbrella, and so on, that you actually have a platform where you can do all the stuff, and there is somebody in charge of the platform. They take care of everything, and you just pay a monthly or a yearly fee. Okay, so that's like the first choice they
The
have to
first.
make. And then after that, of course, most agencies, they are always looking for like the same main things, like to save time with updates, which is probably the biggest maintenance task in WordPress, because how it's built and how we all use like plugins, themes, and so on. Then nowadays, security in all aspects is getting like super important. I bet we're going to talk more about that, and you know a lot about that because of your
Yeah,
plugins and
everything.
everything. So people is getting more and more interested in that as well. And then, of course, things like monitoring, like backups, things like that. But I actually think, and for me, it's always been like this since the beginning when we started Modular. I think everybody knows a lot, or focuses a lot on the main web maintenance stuff, like the maintenance task, like the technical aspects. But I think one of the keys of web maintenance is that it is very hard to sell. It's a service that is not easy to sell, because most people, not non-technical people, they don't really understand it. So for me, things like client reports, for example, are almost as important or maybe more important than backups or tasks, because if you don't have a client that is paying for maintenance, you don't have to do the maintenance. So there is no point on doing backups or updates if nobody is going to pay for that. So that's also very important for me. Yeah. So I would say those are like the main things.